Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out, 2026 IBEX Trail28. It's by Forest River. We would have the battery hook up here. Hopefully you can hear me with the wind. It's rather windy today, but this is a floor plan I have not seen before. Look how close those doors are together. And we have additional storage here. You can see where you would hook up your kitchen. I'm gonna go ahead and climb inside. There's the IBEX new trailed and then the Trail28 badging. And right when you walk in, you have a closet. I really like this. You have your hookup for your washer dryer, so stackable, and then shelving. We have a fold out couch here, and it also sits directly across from a fireplace, and then a perfect place for your flat screen TV, pre-wired, ready to go. Refrigerator and freezer. We have the 3-burner cooktop, multi-purpose, it could be a multi-person microwave oven. We have drawers below for storage, and then we have a nice sink as well as storage below, storage above the sink. Speaking of storage, place to store your kids. We've got bunk beds left and right, and then we've got storage underneath, and then we have shelves. And I guess you could, knowing kids the way I know, they would use this as a ladder to get up to the top bunk. Great place for your TV. A simple HVAC system, so when they get hot, they can turn the air conditioner on, fall asleep, and wake up shivering. We have a dining area. The fold-out couch I already showed you. Let's go into the pass-through bathroom. Corner vanity sink. Then we have all of your hookup here for your light controls and your solar power status. Your commode, and then a very nice shower, exhaust fan, and a skylight that also gives you ceiling additional height. And then here is the master bedroom. We have a place for your flat screen TV. We have a window, and then right across it we have the door, so you open that door, allow some ventilation, cross ventilation, HVAC system, a bed with cabinets on both left and right, and then cubbies above with your fish net to hold the items in. Rather nice setup. And again, I haven't seen this floor plan, so I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Any comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video.